Want to do a fast roll?
Let's do it.
All right, hold your headset on.
All right, she's on. Should have held on tighter.
Thrust 1, Addison Tower, lift downwind departure approved, wind 17012, gust 18, runway 16 at Foxtrot, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, thrust 1. All right, you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
All right, so you're gonna notice that this thing accelerates super slow, and it's way more boring than an Archer.
Yeah.
You see how boring this is? Not loud or anything, or...
No, not at all.
Not at all. So we're gonna wave to our folks. Hello, 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 hello. All right, so remember, my job today is not to scare you, it's not to frighten you. We're not gonna do anything without talking about it first.
Right.
We can make this as wild or as mild as you want, okay? Before we do anything real fun, we gotta make sure we get out of this airspace, though.
Yeah, back on that heading.
So one thing you're gonna notice in the spin, or at least a lot of the feedback that I get from people is, oh, that's not nearly as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I think a lot of people think it's gonna be more violent than it really is, and it's really not. It's one of those things, though, that, you know, the video, you know, and the ground instruction that we did, it really just doesn't do it justice.
Right.
So once we get clear of this airspace, what we'll do is we'll just start off with a few rolls just to kind of warm you up a little bit.
Cool.
Just to kind of show you what it feels like to be upside down. And,
okay.
And you know, attitudes that you're not, you know, really used to.
Yeah.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to go through a stall sequence, okay? So I just want you to stall the airplane.
Okay.
And we'll just hold the airplane in the stall, and I want you to feel how much control you have when we're in the stall.
So when you're in that little buffet.
Yep.
Right.
And then we're going to do what's called an incipient spin. So we're going to start to spin the airplane, but before the spin fully develops, we're going to get out of it.
Okay.
We're going to say, okay, we recognize it. Now we're going to get out of it.
Okay.
And then we're going to go into the full spin routine. Okay.
Awesome.
All right. So now that we're clear of the airspace, I'm going to demonstrate for you the first roll.
Okay.
And the roll on this thing, it's pretty mechanical, okay?
Okay.
Especially when we're just doing a basic aileron roll like we're doing, okay?
Right.
So all we're going to do is we're just going to set the nose like this.
Okay.
And all we're going to do is we're going to start a little slow, and then we're going to pick up the speed, and there's your roll.
Wow.
But you notice how I didn't add any elevator, and I didn't add any rudder?
Right.
You know, just super mechanical.
Okay.
Just like that.
Yeah.
All right, there's some traffic in front of us. You have the flight controls.
Flight controls.
That traffic is off to the right of us, okay? So set your pitch to about 5 degrees.
Okay.
And then start a little slow on the roll, and then pick up speed. Faster, 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 and roll out. All right.
Oh, that's so cool.
So let's do one where we go around twice. So we'll just pick the nose up, and we'll push. And stop. And then we can do some climbing rolls. So we'll just set the nose here.
Okay.
And we can actually climb and roll.
What?
What is happening? So that was 500 feet we gained there.
That's insane.
And I'll show you a nice slow roll, okay?
Okay.
This one's kind of fun. This one you have to use some rudder on.
Okay.
Because when we're on the knife edge or at 90 degrees,
right,
we're going to use that rudder like an elevator. So you'll notice I'm going to start feeding in some right rudder. And then we're going to... Oh, no, we're stuck. What happened? I'm kidding. A little left rudder. And there we go.
That is so cool.
Isn't that fun?
That is really fun.
All right, you got the flight controls.
Flight controls.
Come on up to 5,000. We'll start off with the stall sequence. All right, so I'm just going to start pulling your power back. Just keep climbing. Just hold that pitch where it's at.
I can do that.
And I want you to just stall the airplane, but when we get into the stall, I just want you to hold it there, okay? And just keep the airplane straight with your feet, okay?
Okay.
So, All right, so there is your stall. Stick back. All right, now just hold it. Now just little right foot. You'll notice we still have aileron control. You see that? You know, and it's a very gentle stall. So if you just hold it, hold the stall in
there,
and just kind of balance it right here, so we don't have to pull the stick all the way back. And if you just kind of hold it right about there, and then see what it does. And then little right foot, little right aileron. See what we're doing? Just kind of walking it down. So no big deal. And then if we want to cover, what do? Just dump it, right? Just nose forward, and then a little bit of power. Okay. All right, so go ahead and climb back on up to 5,000.
All right.
And we'll show you that like half turn spin, okay?
Okay.
So this spin, what we're going to do here is basically simulating, okay, we got ourselves in trouble, now how do we get out immediately, okay?
Right.
Because the next spins we're going to do, we're going to let them really, really develop.
Right.
The spin we're going to do here, though, is, okay, we got in, now we got to get out quick, okay? All right, so let's do a couple clearing turns.
Okay.
So basically just lift the left wing and look down below us, because we're just basically going to be going down. All right, I don't see anybody. All right, so pull that nose up a little steeper. We'll climb somewhere between 100 and 120 knots.
Okay.
I'm going to start pulling your power back, and I'm going to demonstrate the first one, okay? So you hold on to the stick, left hand on the throttle, okay?
Got it.
So we're just going to slow this airplane down.
Okay.
And we're going to simulate, okay, maybe we're on a base to final turn.
Right.
And we got a little bit of power in there, and we get into the spin. So left foot, oh no, we're in a spin. Right foot, dump it, power idle, and just gently pull, because if we pull too hard there, we're going to get into an accelerated stall.
Gotcha.
And then we climb away.
All right.
All right.
All right.
You got the flight controls.
Flight control.
Your controls, so we'll let you try one now.
Okay. So we're pitching up.
So, yeah, so what we're going to do is, once we get to 5,000, once the thing stalls, you're just going to bury the stick, bury the left foot.
Okay.
Okay. Then power to idle.
Right.
And then stick forward.
Because I'm a little bit lighter.
Hard right foot. Yep.
Right.
And then basically immediately hard left. Well, it's left foot back to neutral, and it's pretty hard.
Okay.
And then just let the airplane kind of settle down, and then just gently pull out of it, okay?
All right.
Here comes your power.
Oh, well.
Let that nose drop a little bit. Let's go to about 15 degrees or so.
All right.
And just hold her right there.
Oh, got it.
Here comes a little power.
Power.
All right, so stick all the way back, left foot to the floor, power to idle. We're spinning right foot.
Yep.
Right foot, right foot, right foot, left foot, and just gently pull out of it. All right, good.
Okay.
So next time, just a little faster on the right foot.
Okay.
And instead of doing like a 3/4 turn, you'll do like a half turn.
Okay.
All right, so this time we're going to do the real deal.
All
this one's going to be a little more exciting.
Okay.
I've got the airplane. Do a couple more Patrick clearing turns. All right, so left hand on the throttle, right hand on the stick, just shadow me. When we do this, I want you to spend a lot of time studying the ground. So look at the left side of the canopy. Really want to keep those eyes outside the airplane, okay? Power to idle. I'm going to bump a little bit in here. Here comes my stall. You feel it shaking a little bit?
Yes, I feel it stick.
Stick comes all the way back. Left foot to the floor. Power to idle.
Right.
And I'm just going to hold that left foot down and that stick all the way back, okay?
Okay.
So we're spinning, we're spinning, we're spinning. Okay, now we say, okay, I want to recover.
Right.
Stick forward. Right foot, left foot, gentle pull, bigger pull. Power, climb away, little right foot.
Yep.
All right, so what do you think? Was it
I feel
scary?
No, I mean, I feel good.
All right.
Yeah.
What a trooper. All right, you got the airplane.
My airplane.
Give me a left turn to south.
All right.
Climb to 5,000. Little right foot in the climb. That inclinometer is right above the HSI, so it's in a different spot than what you're used to. All right, so here comes your power. Hold that pitch right about there. All right.
Yep.
And we're just waiting for that speed. Yep. Here's a little power.
Power, and then waiting for that.
Yep, bury it.
Yep.
Left foot. All right, power to idle.
Right. Power's idle.
All right, so you just keep spinning until I tell you to recover.
All right.
You sound scared.
Oh, I'm good.
Kidding, I'm kidding. All right, stick forward, right foot, left foot, pull, climb away. Pull. Yes! Yes,
cool.
yes! Beautiful first spin.
That was awesome.
I love it. All right, so climb back up to 5,000, and let's do it again. All right, here comes your power.
Power out, keep that pitch.
Let that right foot up as you pull that power out. When you pull that power out, right, we don't have to take all those left turning tendencies away.
Yep. All right, a little bit.
Power. Yep.
And then there's that buffet.
Yep, stick first this time. There you go. And power. There you go. And recover.
All right.
Stick first. Oop. Stick first. So that time you're pushing rudder first. You notice that?
Yeah.
So let's do one more, but this time get that stick forward first, okay?
Okay.
Let's go right to west. Kind of towards the sun. That HSI goes away when the G meter comes on.
Yep.
All right, so we're going to take the power to idle.
Yep.
Let that nose drop just a pinch. A little more. Right about there. All right, so there's a little power.
Little power.
Yep.
All right. And
now bury the stick
back.
left foot now. There you go. Now power.
Power out?
Yeah, there you go. Good job.
Cool.
All right, and recover.
All right.
Stick first, then rudder. Yes! Perfect. Perfect pull. All right, you can level off here.
All right.
All right, you're good.
That was fun. I said that one felt good.
Oh, that was great.
Great.
You want to try Cuban 8?
Let's do it.
All right, so we'll come up a little bit and get a little airspeed. Do you know what a Cuban 8 is?
I do not.
All right, so it's a 3/4 loop followed by half a roll.
Okay.
And that half roll is going to be when you're on the inverted 45-degree down line. We got a little speed. And what I like to do is, you see all the roads and all the plow marks and all that kind of stuff?
Yeah.
You can't really use your heading indicator when you're doing this. So it's nice to have a visual reference outside as to what it is that you're doing, okay?
Okay.
So I like to line up. And what we're going to do when we do this, I want you to look left towards the wingtip.
Okay.
You're not going to be able to see anything out in front of you. So we're just going to give it a good pull. We're going to introduce a bunch of right rudder.
All right.
And here you can start to transition, look up over top. And then we can stop. And then roll.
Wow.
So that's a half Cuban.
Okay.
If you want to make it a full Cuban, we just do it the other way around.
Okay.
We just pull up. And then float the top a little bit. Oh my goodness. And stop and roll.
Oh, that is so cool.
Isn't that fun?
That is so much fun.
A little high G turn.
Oh, yeah.
That's about 3.5 Gs there. And you want to try point roll?
Sure.
All right, so point roll is where we stop on the 90s, okay?
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the nose up, and we're going to stop.
Oh,
and then stop. And then stop. And then stop.
That was cool.
Isn't that fun? You want to fly upside down?
I do.
All right.
I would love to.
This is a fun one to get a video. Well, I guess we got the video cameras playing, so I'll just send you those.
Cool.
So just pull the nose up like this, roll it over, and push. And that's upside down. Now, one thing you don't really want to do is pull this thing through. So you wouldn't want to just pull for the ground like and do a split S because you over-G yourself, over-G the airplane.
Right.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
All right, so I'll talk you through it.
Okay.
So just pull the nose up.
All right.
Now roll it over. And push
it down.
There you go. Push, push. Right there. Right there. Beautiful. And roll it back over. Nice.
Wow. That is so cool.
Isn't that fun?
That is a blast.
All right. We'll do a little slow roll here. All right. Well, I'd say we had a successful day. What do you think?
I agree. I second that.
All right. Want to do a fast roll?
Let's do it.
All right. Hold your headset on.
All right. She's on.